You've probably seen those AI influencers online that look a little too shiny, plastic skin, strange fingers, and text that look like a spell. When I say AI influencer, I mean hyper realistic AI avatar that becomes the face of your brand or channel without you having to be on camera every time. The problem is most AI influencers still look fake. I'm going to show you how to go from zero to your first realistic AI influencer using Higgsfield AI and Nano Banana Pro, even if you've never created an AI avatar before. By the end, you will have a 4K ready AI twin that you could use for Faceless YouTube channel, in AI UGC, or as an AI clone for your business. And yes, the reason we're using Higgsfield AI is simple. They give you free creations and daily credits so you can actually practice without stressing over every single generation. Meanwhile, other creators are silently building AI influencers that can work 24/7 in their content and offers. I want you in that group, not watching from the sidelines. If you're ready, I'm ready. Let's go. Hey, I'm Bree, and around here we use AI, automation, and content to build more freedom in your life, not chaos. This video is a part of my influencer series where we talk about AI influencers, AI twins, AI avatars, and AI UGC so you can show up like a top creator without filming yourself every day. Today, we're starting with the foundation. We're gonna build the look of your AI influencer inside of Nano Banana Pro. So if you've been curious about AI influencer, an AI twin, or an AI avatar for Faceless YouTube channel, client content, or AI UGC, this Nano Banana Pro tutorial is for you. Most people open an AI tool and type pretty girl with studio lighting, hit generate, and then wonder why their AI influencer looks like a random stock model that changes every time. We're not doing that. Before you touch Nano Banana Pro, you need to plan your AI influencer like a brand. Ask yourself 3 simple questions. Who is the AI influencer for? Busy creators, small business owners, beauty lovers, tech people, moms, side hustlers. Pick one main group and say it out loud. 2, what role do they play? Best friend who keeps it real, expert mentor, stylist, coach, or that I get you because I'm you type. 3, where will they show up? Faceless YouTube channel, Reels, TikToks, inside of ad creatives for clients, on your website as your AI clone. If you want help thinking this through, I have a free influencer starter kit that walks you through your character, your niche, and some starter models. The link is in the description, but stay with me first so you know exactly how to use it with Nano Banana Pro. So once you're clear on who your AI influencer serves and what role they play, then we build the face. So use the link below to jump into Higgsfield AI.
Now we are in Higgsfield, and all we need to do is just go to Image and just select Nano Banana Pro. And here we are. You can upload a photo and use it as inspiration, or our own photo if we're creating a twin of ourselves, or you can just copy and paste prompt description right here like I did. We're going to make sure that the Nano Banana Pro is selected. We're going to change it to a 9:16, and you have the options of selecting 1K, 2K, or 4K. We're going to go with 2K. We're going to select the unlimited because Higgsfield is offering unlimited Nano Banana Pro right now, and so we're going to create her. And I'm going to go ahead and run it one more time so we have some options. Okay, so let's go ahead and go with this one, and we are going to download her.
Let me show you exactly what I did for the AI influencer in this video. Then I'll break it down so you can tweak it. Now this is the prompt I used to get her look. On screen you can see the full prompt, but let me break it down for you. First, I told Nano Banana who she is, a natural beauty, Armenian American woman in her early 20s with golden olive skin. Then I described the details, visible pores and nude gloss lips, almond-shaped dark brown eyes, smoky neutral eyeshadow, long sleek jet black hair parted in the center. Then I added the camera and lighting style, studio background, softly blurred, beauty campaign lighting, 85mm lens, ultra detailed skin and hair, hyper realistic, high dynamic range, no distortion, no text, no watermark. And finally, I added a negative prompt, things that I just don't want. cartoon, anime, CGI, plastic skin, over smooth skin, exaggerated features, harsh flash, low resolution, blur, distortion, text, logos, watermarks. If that feels like a lot, here's a shortcut. Use this structure and change the details. Who are they? Skin, hair, makeup, outfit, expression. Camera, lighting, and style. Negative prompt with everything you just don't want. I downloaded that one image and used her every single time for character consistency. She was created, she went to the gym, she walked to her car, she went to lunch with friends, and then she had an evening out, all with the same face. Quick break so you know exactly why I'm using Nano Banana Pro for this. Here's a simple version. 4K image quality. You can generate at 1K, 2K, and full 4K, or upscale to 4K, so your AI influencer doesn't fall apart on big screens. Now let me show you what I mean. On one side of the screen, you're seeing an older style AI character that looks plastic and over edited. On the other side, you're seeing a Nano Banana Pro character at 2K. Now notice the difference. The skin looks more natural. Overall, she could pass for a real person in your content. That's the standard we're going for. Now we need to see if your AI influencer can survive outfit changes without turning into 5 different people. Back in the Nano Banana Pro, we're going to ask for multiple poses of the same character in one image.
Okay, so we definitely want to make sure that we can maintain character consistency, and not only can we maintain character consistency, but how well does Nano Banana Pro actually read brands and labels? Because that's always been a problem. So now I have put in some Gymshark leggings, and I'm asking it in the prompt to make them pink. And she also has some rep dumbbells, and let's see how this generates. Look at this. This all has to do with having the proper prompt. You can see like a little bit of the sweat. The brand is so clear, and you can see that she's wearing Gymshark. This is just amazing. So let's keep adding on and see if she can maintain the same look across multiple scenes. Now we're going to change it up a little bit. We're going to give her a Stanley Cup, and we are going to have her headed toward her Mercedes. I just posted in a new prompt, but I want you to also know you don't have to include all of the images like I'm doing here. This is just something that I am choosing to do, just to make sure things are exactly as I'm asking for. And I'm going to run these a few times. Let's have her go to a cafe next. So while this is running, let me get the prompt. All right, let's see how it did. What is she holding? So you can see that this is a Stanley Cup, but where is she holding it? So that one definitely doesn't work. And then this one, the Stanley Cup does not have that type of, doesn't have anything to hold right there either. I love that they threw in the bag. I didn't even ask for a bag. And I forgot to delete these other items. And also, what is she holding here? So that doesn't look authentic either. She still looks the same in the face. And here we are. This is our winner. She looks the same in the face. She's actually holding the cup, and she is holding the bag. And I asked for it to be a pink car, and the image that I put actually was a sports car, but I forgot in the prompt that I asked for a pink luxury SUV. So I didn't even specify what type of vehicle, but either way, it actually came out to what I was looking for. We're going to make the next one, and we are going to put her at a cafe with friends in her same outfit. So we're just kind of setting her up. She's with her friends. So first off, she's kind of sitting by herself and her friends are over there. And then this one, she isn't really looking directly at anybody. This one isn't too bad. But this one, she's looking directly at a friend. She's got her avocado toast. She's got her Stanley Cup. So we are maintaining some major consistency here. She's not really looking at anybody on this one. So we are going to say that either one of these are the clear winner for our character consistency. Okay, so now we're going to change the prompt, and we are going to put her in a beautiful night out. We're going to put her in a little black dress. So let's try that. We have unlimited runs, so why not? All right, so she is sitting here with her little black dress, and she has on a nice watch. And you can see that she has on a bit more makeup than what she had before, as I prompted. And I said a cute handbag, and it looks like they threw in a Gucci. So there you have it. Higgsfield has done it again with their Nano Banana Pro Unlimited. We can keep on generating.
She went to the gym, she walked to her car, she went to lunch with friends, and then she had an evening out. Same face, same core features, totally different moments. So think about 3 or 4 scenes that fit your niche. When the results come back, check a few things. Does the face look the same in all 3 poses? Is the skin tone consistent? Does the hair look like the same texture and style? Do the body ratios feel believable? Are the fingers and hands normal? You don't have to copy this exactly. The point is that you are telling a story. For this example, it was a day in life, a story of one AI influencer that your audience can recognize. Ask yourself, if I saw these on Instagram or on your YouTube thumbnails, would I think that she's the same person in different moments? If the answer is yes, you nailed it. One version is close, but not perfect. Don't panic. This is why you might have to have several reiterations. So you can just easily update your prompt and literally say, keep the same woman in every outfit. Lock in your base face, save it, and reuse it. Only change the outfit, pose, or scene. That's how you keep your AI clone or AI twin consistent. If she passes this test, you have a solid AI influencer foundation. Now let's use one of my favorite parts of Nano Banana Pro for text and data aware images. Instead of turning your text into nonsense, Nano Banana Pro can create readable graphics for your content. Here's a simple YouTube thumbnail style prompt you could try. YouTube thumbnail style image of the same woman on the right pointing toward a bold headline on the left that reads, "Build a realistic AI influencer." Clean background, high contrast, 4K, modern thumbnail design, legible text, perfect for faceless YouTube. You can also do teaching scenes. The same woman standing next to a whiteboard with 3 bullet points labeled step 1, step 2, step 3. Clean and minimal design, 4K data aware layout. Now your AI influencer is not just a pretty face, she is a part of your content system, your thumbnails, your carousels, your mockups, and your AI UGC for clients. At this point, you might be thinking, okay, Bree, these images look great. That's where we're headed next in this AI influencer series. In upcoming videos, I am going to show you how to turn this Nano Banana Pro character into a talking AI twin, use AI avatars for UGC style content for brands, and build simple workflows for faceless YouTube videos and short clips. So if you're not subscribed yet, now is the perfect time. All right, let's bring this all together. If you want to build your own AI influencer, your AI twin, or AI avatar without wasting time on broken plastic looking images, here's what to do next. First, use my link in the description to grab Higgsfield Nano Banana Pro Unlimited plan. Higgsfield is offering unlimited Nano Banana Pro generations for an entire year when you sign up with that link. But this is a limited time offer, so don't sit on it. Use that link to log in to Higgsfield AI and open Nano Banana Pro and start building your own 2K or 4K AI influencer today. Second, download my free AI influencer starter kit. If you like this tutorial, you'll love the kit. It will help you plan your AI influencer like a brand. Simple ways to use your AI avatar for AI UGC and content that can actually make you money. It's the perfect combination to what you just learned. Third, if you like this video, you'll love the next video where I'll teach you how to get your AI influencer to speak with lip sync. Be sure to click the link below. Watch what's next so you're not just creating pretty images. You're building a full AI system around your AI influencer. If you found this helpful, tap like and comment AI influencer so I can give you kudos for making it to the end. And make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the rest of this series. If you're ready, I'm ready. Let's grow.